Hi, Dr. Vijay's Lectures on Accounting, lecture number 23. The adjustment regarding provision for doubtful debts or reserve for doubtful debts is highly confusing to most of the students. Similarly, there are different methods of depreciation which are not normally applied in sole traders books and partnerships, like depreciation fund method. So, it is highly necessary for the student to understand more about the provision for doubtful debts and different modes of depreciation, etc. Besides that, many things regarding adjustment for provision for dividend, dividend tax, and so many things require explanation, as we are now with final accounts of companies. Here, I am telling again the provision for doubtful debts or reserve for doubtful debts. That is impairment for doubtful debts. There are three elements involved in this adjustment. Number one, provision from the previous period. It will be given along with credit balances in the trial balance. We call it old provision. Number two, bad debts written off during the period shown in trial balance along with debit balances. Plus, there may be additional bad debts stated in adjustments. The third element is new provision required. It is given along with the adjustments a certain percentage of sun debtors. Where there is additional bad debts, that additional bad debts and the good debts attached with that should be subtracted from sun debtors for calculating the new provision, because new provision for doubtful debts need be calculated only for doubtful debts, not need for good debts, as well as debts which is already written off. In all the cases, in all problems, you have to apply only one formula for deciding how much portion is to be transferred from profit loss account to provision for doubtful debts or back. The formula is bad debts plus new provision minus old provision. If either of the three elements is missing in a problem given, take that element as 0 and apply the formula. If the final answer is positive, that item is to be debited in profit loss account, and if negative, it is to be credited in profit loss account. In the balance sheet, from sun debtors in asset side, always you have to subtract additional bad debts if any, plus new provision for doubtful debts. The following table, the table shown here, gives all different possibilities in which the adjustment can occur in different problems. In the case of provision for discount allowed and provision for discount received, also you can apply the same formula, but in the case of provision for discount received, if the answer that you get when applying the formula is positive, show on the credit side of profit loss account, and if negative, show in the debit side. Regarding the journal entries for provision for doubtful debts for discount allowed and discount received and other details, go through lecture 14. Thank you.